Want to get the best deal on your Bluehost web hosting purchase? Then this Bluehost coupon code video is for you. In this Bluehost tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to get a Bluehost discount so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name. You get a Bluehost discount of up to 75% off. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost discount, getting Bluehost for as low as $1.99 a month, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting plans page. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be taken to the Bluehost plans. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Pro plan. The Basic plan you'll get for as low as $1.99 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 75% off. The Choice Plus plan you'll get for as low as $3.99 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 71% off. The Online Store plan you'll get for as low as $7.45 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 61% off. The Pro plan you'll get for as low as $9.99 a month and get a Bluehost discount of 52% off. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop-down where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension your domain name ends in. Next, you'll be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. That is all there is to it. Enjoy your Bluehost coupon code discount so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.